In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the size of function in C#. In the previous tutorial, we made mention of data types in C# such as int, double, bool, char. Here in this tutorial, we will find out the size of these data types in bytes. Data types such as int and double are predefined data types in C#. That is, they are built in to the language itself. Here, if we hover on, for example, the int, and we go to definition, we can see here information on the int data type, such as the max value, min value, and so on. Likewise, if we go to double, we see properties that associate with a double data type. Now I'm going to run this program, and what this program is going to do is it is going to give you the size of the int data type, the double, bool, and char. As you can see here, we are writing out the size that is given back by the sizeOf function here to the console. So hitting run. So as you can see here, we just wrote to the console that the integer size is 4 bytes, double is 8 bytes, bool is 1 byte, and char is 2 bytes. So this is the sizeOf operator in C#.